we'll guide you through how to make video with Google Vids. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open a browser. For example, I use Google Chrome. To open it, double-click the Google Chrome icon on your desktop so the browser launches properly. After the browser opens, access the Google Apps icon in the top right corner, then click it and scroll down to find Google Vids. As an alternative, go to the search bar, type workspace.google.com, then press Enter to access the platform. Next, select the product menu to explore available features. After the options appear, choose Videos, then click Sign In to Vids to continue. After that, a pop-up will appear where you can create clips using VO 3.1, AI avatar, convert slides, and many other features designed to help create videos efficiently. Next, click Blank Video to start a new project. Then, as an example, click Stock to select the desired footage for your video. Simply type in the search bar, for example Snow City, to find relevant media. Then click Videos, scroll down, and choose one of the available options that fits your needs. In the timeline section, adjust the duration, for example set it to 10 seconds. Next, click Insert, then click Shapes and Lines to add design elements. Add a rounded rectangle. Then write for example how to make video with Google Vids and adjust the style as needed. After that, click the text, then click the animation icon below the text to enhance its appearance. For example, choose Scene, then select the scale animation and click Got It. After that, preview the result to see whether it already looks good and matches your expectations. Then click Show Timing and adjust the text timing until it feels suitable and looks good. Next, click New Scene, then click Insert, click Upload, select the video file to use, and click Open. Click Voiceover to start adding narration as desired. Next, adjust everything in the timeline. Then click Insert and select Captions to add captions with your preferred style. After that, click the Add Transition icon and apply transitions as desired. Do a preview, and if it feels lacking, adjust the timeline until it looks good by fine-tuning the duration, spacing, and synchronization of each element so everything appears smooth, balanced, and comfortable to watch. After that, click Preview to see the final result, and your video with Google Vids is successfully created.